Okay, so I will be doing Chapter 9, more specifically Section 9.4, which is testing the difference between different proportions. And the problem reads, a study of 5,000 girls and 4,500 boys showed that 83% of girls and 79% of boys experienced some form of bullying or harassment during childhood. If alpha is 0.05, can it be concluded that girls are bullied more than boys? And we're going to be using the traditional method. Okay, so the first step is to state the hypothesis, and in this problem, H naught is P1 equals P2, which is the conclusion that boys and girls are bullied the same. The alternative hypothesis, which is the hypothesis that we are testing to see if it is true, is states that girls, P1, are bullied more than boys, P2. Okay, so the next step is to find the critical value. So we go into our calculator and select stats list, and then F5 and then inverse normal. And we put the area in as 0.95 because it is the area to the left of the shaded region, which is the alpha, which is 0.05. And then we put in mu as 0 and sigma as 1, and we get the answer 1.64. Okay, so the third step is to find the test value, and so we're going to go back into our calculators again and hit stats list, F6, and then 2-prop z test, and then we're going to enter the following values. So x1 success, we're going to enter 4150, which we get from multiplying the percentage of girls that were bullied by the total number that were interviewed, and then n1 is 5,000. And then for x2, we're going to write 3,555, which again we got by multiplying the percentage of boys bullied times the number that were interviewed. And then n2 is 4,500. And then we're going to enter the alternative hypothesis one more time and plug that all in, and we get 4.97. Okay, so our last step is to either reject or do not reject the null and then make a statement based on that. So given the test value that we just got, which is 4.97, we are going to add that onto the graph, and since it falls within the shaded region of the graph, which means it's greater than the critical value, we reject the null hypothesis, and then we make the statement, there is evidence to claim that girls are bullied more than boys. And that's it. Yay, thank you for watching.